Hey guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome to our channel. So today, my husband and I are tackling this huge mess, his man room. This place has become the catch-all for all junk like boxes, old mail, and our wedding decor we're trying to sell. Boy, was it time to clear it out. Comment below if you have a spot in your house that just becomes the catch-all. And no, I'm not the only one that does this. We moved the recliner over to the other side of the room so that it had more room to be able to open it up before it would hit the guitar on the wall. So this is definitely a better fit. My husband redid the shelf and took off all of the Old Dominion gear and put up his new Super Bowl Champs gear. Go Birds! We consolidated both of our filing cabinets and decided to use this one because it had a smaller drawer on the top for us to use for all of our office materials, like staplers and paper clips and stuff like that. We decided to take this piece and another piece out to make the room feel a little bit bigger and also so it's less space to collect junk. Here's what came out of this room. That is the stuff that we need to shred, and this huge pile of stuff is all things that we're selling in our yard sale. And here's all the trash that came out of that room. 4 full bags plus extra stuff. And then this is the stuff that we put up in our attic. That piece is absolutely beautiful, but it's just too crowded in that room to use it. And here it is, all finished. It looks so amazing. So much more room. You can actually see all the sports memorabilia that he has. I hope that this has inspired you to clean out one of your rooms in your house. It took about 3 hours to do, but we had a ton of stuff come out of that room. But it was worth it because now I actually want to go in there and enjoy that room. Thanks again for stopping by, and if you like videos like this, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.